Hey guys, this is Troy from TroyPoint.com, and in this video, I will show you how to copy and paste on Android TV, Google TV, and Fire TV devices. Now, many of you use applications that require configuring add-ons, and this tutorial will save you time so you don't need to type out those long strings with a remote control. The first example is on my ON 4K Pro Android TV box, and after this, I will switch over to my Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max and show how to do it on that device. Now, it's important to be able to differentiate between the different Android TV and Fire TV devices in your home. So the first thing I want to do is rename the device that I'm using so I can easily pick it out of the list when I open the app on my phone or tablet. Now, this is completely optional and only applies to those who have multiple streaming boxes on the same network. So to do that, I'm going to move up, go into Settings, go to System, About, Device Name, and I want to change this. And I'm just going to enter a custom name, and I'm going to call this On Office. Hit the check mark. Now, in order to do this, you do need a phone or tablet. It can be iOS or Android. And it's important that both your phone or tablet and the streaming device that you want to do this on are on the same network. So what you want to do now is download the Google TV application on your phone or tablet through your respective app store. Yes, this was originally built for Android, but you can also get it for Apple devices as well, as long as you are running iOS 15 or higher. In this example, I am using my Android Samsung tablet. So I'm going to go ahead and launch Google TV. Now you're going to see a little tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. It says 8 TVs nearby. I'm going to click that. And again, this is why you want to make sure that both your phone or tablet and the streaming device are on the same network so it can discover the streaming devices. Click Allow. And now my streaming devices have loaded, and you're going to see On Office in the list. I'm going to click that. And now it's asking me to enter a code into my tablet that shows up on my TV screen. I'm going to hit pair. Now towards the bottom, you're going to see an icon that looks like a remote control. I'm going to go ahead and tap that. And now you're going to see I have a virtual remote control that allows me to do exactly what I can do with the regular remote control. But the great thing about this is that I can copy and paste with this. So let's say I want to install a new Streamio add-on. As we all know, these links can be very long. So what I'm going to do is, as an example, I'm going to open my browser, and I already have a configuration page open for the Open Subtitles Pro for the Streamio add-on as an example. I'm going to go through this quickly. I'm going to tap Search Languages. I'm going to use English for this. Add language. And now all I'm going to do is click Copy to Clipboard. That will copy the link that I need to install this add-on. Okay, back to my home screen. I'm going to go back into the Google TV app. Open the remote control again. And now I'm going to navigate to Streamio. Go into the add-ons section of the application. Move up. Choose Add Add-on. And now you're going to see here on the screen, it says start typing on your phone to see it on the TV. Now, I'm going to simply hold down with my thumb or finger on the screen for a few seconds. Click Paste. And now you're going to see that very long URL has been added. Now, after pasting that in, I'm going to click Switch to Navigation. Now, to get rid of the keyboard, I'm going to hit the back button to the left of the Home shortcut on the remote control. Move down, move over, and click Add. install. Back button. And you're going to see here that the add-on has been successfully installed. Back to the home screen. And the great thing about this technique is you can use this with other applications, such as the popular Streamio forks, one of them being Nuvio. Link below this video for a tutorial on that, and this popular media center here. All three of these apps work with add-ons similar to how I just showed, and this just makes for a much quicker setup process. Now, speaking of Streamio, this is now the #1 ranked free streaming application, and rightfully so, as it will allow you to cancel all of your overpriced streaming services and get everything in one place through the Streamio app. To get my free Ultimate Streamio setup video, simply click the link below this video or open the camera app on your phone or tablet, scan this QR code, input your email address, and the video will be delivered to your inbox immediately. Okay, now I've moved over to my Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max, and just like I did with my Android TV box, I'm going to go into Settings, My Fire TV. I'm going to go into About. Now, the thing about Fire TVs, unlike Android TV boxes, they don't let you rename your device, but you can see what it's named, top right-hand corner. Just take note of that if you have multiple devices running on your network. For me, it's Troy's 10th Fire TV. So back to the home screen. Again, this Fire TV and my tablet are on the same network, which is required for this to work. The application you need to install on your phone or tablet for Fire TV devices is the Fire TV application, and it's available through both Google Play and iOS. And again, I'm using my Android tablet. Now I'm going to launch my Fire TV application that I downloaded through the Google Play Store. This is also available on iOS devices as well through the App Store. Got to sign in with your Amazon account. Okay, once I log into the app, you're going to see there my Fire TV devices show up in this list. And the one that I'm using, like I showed earlier, is my 10th Fire TV. So I'm going to click that. And just like on the Android TV, it's asking me to input the code that shows up on the TV. And that's 7637. Now, I still have the URL copied to my clipboard on this tablet, so there's no need for me to go back. I'm just going to use the same add-on that I used on the Android TV box. If you didn't watch that portion of the video, go back and watch it. You can see where I copied the URL that I'm going to paste here in a little bit. Okay, this time I'm going to go into the popular Kodi fork Nuvio. I'm on the add-ons page, and where it says install add-on, I'm going to highlight that box there and tap the OK button on the virtual remote. And this remote is a little bit different than the Android TV box. You're going to see what looks like a keyboard icon below the directional pad, just to the left of the microphone button. I'm going to tap that, and now I'm going to place my finger or thumb where it says enter text for a few seconds, and then paste. And you're going to see on the screen, it inputs the string that was copied to my clipboard. I'm going to tap done on the keyboard. And now with the directional pad, I'm going to move down and tap next, and the add-on has now been installed. So if you are someone who needs to copy and paste on either Android TV, Google TV, or Fire TV, I strongly suggest installing these free applications on your device. Again, this works on Android and Apple phones and tablets. It's going to save you a ton of time and allow you to quickly copy and paste on these devices. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Please be sure to hit the thumbs up button. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for many more tutorials like this in the future. As always, thanks for following Troy Point. Have an awesome day.